Hello friends. Today with one old yogurt bucket. Very nice, we will give one feedback. Those who make it can use it at home or sell it. It will be really very stylish one recycling. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. If there are points you don't like, you can share with us by commenting. First, by cutting one old yogurt bucket. I get water resistant plastic cardboard, then this cardboard. I cut it to wrap around the soda bottle. Cullen Mayan. To evaluate the soda bottles that will go to waste, because I think it is a very effective one method. I am using this method. I wrapped the soda bottle of the yogurt container I prepared around it. I wrap it with nylon tape. I will prepare two soda bottles together. For that reason, I wrap a yogurt cup in the other soda bottle and tape it. To pour into molds I prepared. I'm preparing some hobby money. You can use this hobby mortar in both molds. I fill the soda bottle to the brim. Lightly tapping. Trying to remove air bubbles. Because the hobby mortar dries after 20 minutes. I peel the yogurt cup and separate it from the soda bottle. Hobby money is fine one way. It gave the shape of a cylinder, that is, the shape I wanted. With the help of a wet cloth with some hobby mortar leaked from the sides, I am cleaning. Now I do the same to the other side of the soda bottle. First of all, both soda bottles. Wrapping the plastic of the yogurt container. After creating two molds, prepare enough hobby mortar. I pour into both molds. After waiting for 20 minutes again, open the molds. Seeping into the sides of cylindrical soda bottles. I'm cleaning up hobby mortar residues. Now I'm going to do some painting, so that paint does not get on the exposed glass surface of the soda bottle. I'm pasting newspaper. I will do the same for both soda bottles, but you don't want to paint it, it can be very beautiful. I paint in every two soda bottles. I use two different colors. After the painting process is finished, remove the newspaper paper and finally, I need to do one simple operation. Some rope is used for this. To hide the joints of the concrete and soda bottle. By wrapping some rope around the seams. Dripping super glue. After wrapping rope on all joints. To hide the splices of the rope as well, I'm sticking a ladybug, thorns and dried flowers that I collected from nature again. Put it in soda bottles. I'm completing my recycling work. I think it's very nice, I hope you like it too. See you in the next video, bye bye.